Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Today we have with us a budget Bluetooth earphone from Zebronics, and it's the Zeb Journey, which are the cheapest neckband style Bluetooth earphones available in the market right now. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and find out how they perform. So let's start. Zebronics Zeb Journey Bluetooth headset is available for approximately Rs 1300, and they are the neckband style Bluetooth earphone. And guys, we have 3 of these with us which we'll be putting up for giveaway. So if you want to win one, just subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and like this video and tell us what you like about this earphone. We will pick 3 winners using the random comment picker in approximately 7 days. Winners will be announced on Instagram, so make sure you follow us there too. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the picture of Hrithik Roshan using the earphone. And here is the model name, which is the Zeb Journey. These earphones supports voice assistant and offers 13 hours of playback time, which is pretty impressive. And at the back we have the specs and some more details. They are the neckband style earphone, supports dual pairing, vibration alert for calls, and they are also splash proof. And this neckband earphone is available in 2 colors, red and grey. And here is how the earphone looks like. So the packaging of the product is pretty good for this price. Now let's open the box and see the content now. So first we get this user manual, and then we have this micro USB charging cable, and you also get few extra ear tips. So that's all we get in the box. Now let's look at the earphone closely. So first let's talk about the design and the build quality. The design of these earphones is like any other neckband style earphone, and you have these earplugs which are magnetic. The magnet function comes pretty handy, but I can say in these earphones they're not that strong, but it still does the job. Now about the neckband, the build quality is pretty good, and I really like the overall quality of the neckband and the buttons on the earphone. The neckband has rubberized texture, which makes this earphone pretty flexible. There is one thing I'm not really that confident about is the wires of these earphones. They don't look that strong, which means you'll have to be extra careful while using them. The earbuds offer decent build quality, a bit plasticky, but overall for this price range, I can say it's very much acceptable. These earphones are also splash proof, so you can use them while working out or even in rain. In terms of physical overview, you have the micro USB charging port here along with the mic and status LED light. And here we have the volume buttons, which can also be used to change tracks as well. There is also a dedicated button here for pause and play tracks. And also, if you long press this button, it will enable Siri or Google Assistant. And this button is also the power button of the earphone. So let's power it on and pair it with our phone. Pairing is simple like any other earphone, and here is a Zeb Journey in the list. It's paired, and we can also see the current battery level of these earphones. One thing I should mention here that the dual pairing of these earphones works pretty good as well. Now let's see how is the performance of these earphones. First of all, these earphones are pretty comfortable to use. The earbuds are also quite comfortable, and they will not fall out easily as well. The output is pretty clear, it doesn't have that bass in them, but you can still hear everything clearly and loud. And guys, do not expect anything great from them, as they are the cheapest Bluetooth neckband style earphone we have found till now. So overall the quality is pretty good, and I personally like these earphones for watching videos and movies. And with the exceptionally good battery backup, I'm really happy with the performance of these earphones. There is also a unique feature in these earphones, which is the call alert. The earphone vibrates when you get a call, and it's definitely very helpful. So to conclude, let's talk about the pros and cons of these earphones. So for pros, we can see that these earphones offers amazing battery life, you have the vibration alert for calls, they're comfortable to use, and also offer decent performance when it comes to music and movies. Now about the cons, the first thing is the audio output is not that good. And if you're looking for some extraordinary performance from these earphones, then you'll be disappointed. But again, in this price range, these are the value for money earphone. And one more thing which we did not like about these earphones is the wires of the earbuds. The wires are pretty thin and you might break them easily, so you need to be careful while using these earphones. Nonetheless, Zebronics Journey is a budget-friendly neckband style earphone for those who are looking for an affordable Bluetooth earphone with good battery backup and decent audio output without spending a lot of money. In approximately Rs 1300, you're getting a lot of good features in this earphone. And as we have mentioned earlier, these are the cheapest neckband style Bluetooth earphone right now available, which actually performs pretty good. So to sum it up, if you want to buy a neckband style earphone under Rs 1500, then the Zebronics Journey is a good option. And guys, we have 3 of these with us which we are going to give away. So if you want to win one, then subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, like this video, and tell us what you like about these earphones in the comment section below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Zeb Journey Bluetooth earphone. Let us know if you like them, and also don't forget to take part in the giveaway of these earphones. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.